Ready to delegate and empower your team by adding staff to your Square Appointments. Let's get right to it. First, head over to your Square Appointments dashboard, either on your computer or through the Square Appointments app. Once you're logged in, locate the Staff tab on the left-hand side of your screen and give it a click. This is where all the magic happens for managing your team. See that Add Staff button? Give it a click. This is where you add the details for your employees. Here, you will be prompted to enter their first and last name. Now, enter their email address and phone number. This will allow them to receive notifications about appointments and other important updates. After you've entered their contact information, carefully assign their permission settings. This determines what they can access and manage within Square Appointments. You can give them full access, limited access, or custom roles. Choose the services your new staff member is qualified to perform. Only selected services will be available to book for them. Finally, once you are satisfied with all the information you've entered, click the Save button. And that's it. Your new staff member is now added to your Square Appointments. They'll receive an email invitation to set up their account and start managing their schedule. Now, go out there and build your dream team.